Konnichiwa. All right, we're going to start this little lesson off with a question. Donna hito desu ka? Donna hito desu ka? Donna means what kind of, and hito means person. So what do you think donna hito desu ka means? What kind of person are they? So what we can put in the front is something referring to a person, like their name, and our particle, wa. Now pause this video and write in the air with your finger the hiragana for wa that you're going to use right here. Go ahead and pause. All right. Did you write that hiragana? We need ha here for wa because here wa is acting as the particle wa. So we're going to use this one. So person wa donna hito desu ka? So as for so-and-so, what kind of person are they? So we could put the name of a person. Jadaroki sensei wa donna hito desu ka? What kind of person is Mr. Jadaki? Or you can say just the teacher. Sensei wa donna hito desu ka? What kind of person is the teacher like? So that's the question. Now how do we answer this question? It's really rather simple. It's using the same sentence structure that you've probably already gotten used to. We're basically going to say person wa blah 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 des. Do you know what ADJ stands for here? That's my abbreviation for adjective. So that's where we're going to put the descriptive word, the word that's going to describe what kind of person they are. So we've already seen this before. We're like, watashi wa jadaroki desu. I am Jadlucky. So we're just replacing the thing here with an adjective, and we need to learn a few adjectives now. So now all we need is a list of some adjectives that can go here to describe people, because we're going to use this, as the question indicates, to describe people. In particular, setting up for the test for this unit, talking about our teachers. All right, so we have a few options here that can go in this spot, okay? Yasashi, which means nice. Urusai, which means loud or annoying. Kibishi, which means strict. Omoshiroi, which means interesting or funny. That means both interesting and funny. Kakkoi, kakkoi, which means cool. I know you might not have any cool teachers, fine. And then tsumaranai, tsumaranai. And tsumaranai means boring. So we have tsumaranai, yasashi, urusai, kibishi, omoshiroi, kakkoi. All right, we're going to do a few more. Kirei, kirei. Kirei means beautiful. And shizuka, shizuka. Shizuka means quiet. So these are our adjectives that we have so far. And yes, I know you probably want some other adjectives to use, but we need to kind of limit the amount that we try to shove into our brains. Otherwise, it makes the process a little harder. If there's something you really, 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 really want to use to describe someone, feel free to send me a reminder, an email, and maybe I can share that with you. Plus, there's also jisho.org, but I do caution you to try not to add too much on what you want to learn. There are a couple more that I was hesitating on. I think I will add. So these are kind of phrases, but we still can put them in the same spot. They are sei ga takai and sei ga hikui. Sei ga takai and sei ga hikui. Sei ga takai means tall, and sei ga hikui means short. And it's actually a phrase where it's like the height is tall and the height is short. So as for so-and-so, their height is tall. Yes. And as for so-and-so, their height is short. And I actually have these divided up into categories. And they don't matter so much for us right now, but that's why I have them listed like this. So these are some phrases, these are a certain type of adjective, and this is a different type of adjective. We'll talk about that later. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Good luck. See you tomorrow.